Hey guys, welcome to this week's video where I want to notify you about a huge giveaway that I'm currently having. I put up the post about this giveaway on my Facebook profile. So if we take a look there, you will see that this is the post with all the giveaway information. So what I want to do is I want to return a little bit more towards the community. I want to try and help more people by implementing chatbot marketing, conversational marketing inside of the business. And this is my way of helping a lot more people as well. So this way I will be able to grow my channel, reach more people, and at the same time, I'm able to give back more and more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plan certain milestones for the growth of my channel. Currently, the first milestone is set at 600 subscribers, as you can see. And for this, I'm going to give away one membership license. What is this membership, you might ask? It is my membership. For people who are following me already know, most likely, but the membership is called the Chatbot Marketing Accelerator. Inside, you will have access to a lot of tools, a lot of assets. You will have access towards premium chatbot templates, advanced workshops about various topics around conversational marketing. You will have access towards mini apps. You will have access towards one-on-one coaching, a dedicated group, and I can go on and on about all the features inside the membership. But I will also link down the page where you can read this all by yourself at your own convenience whenever you can. The page I will link to is this one, and currently I'm already having a huge discount, by the way, a $1,000 discount on my LTD membership, and it's called, as you can see, the Chatbot Marketing Accelerator, and you can scroll through it at your own convenience. I will not bore you with all the details right now, but for the people who are following me for quite some time, they already know a lot about this already. So if you are interested in basically supporting me, then do press that subscribe button so my channel will be able to grow. I will be able to reach more people and help more people realize how powerful chatbot and conversational marketing is and how to implement it inside of your business. I have a bunch of tutorials, a bunch of guides already for free, totally for free on my channel. And if we take a look there, so currently I'm all about the AI. It's the real hype at the moment, but it's also a really exciting feature to implement inside of your chatbot, which makes your chatbots a lot smarter, a lot more accurate, and a lot more relevant towards your following. So I have a lot of topics that I cover on my channel about marketing automations in general, along with chatbot marketing as well. So if you like my content, do consider to subscribe because it will really help me out to grow my channel and to even help more people. And then go towards this post and be sure to comment growth in the comment section in order to make a chance to win that free membership license worth $1,497. So a really short video, but I want to make you aware of the huge giveaway at the moment. And if you like it, do subscribe and comment down on this post. For now, have a great day, have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you really, really soon.